Hello, good evening, friends. Welcome to the delicious world of Chappan Bhog. Today, I will be showing you a very basic recipe. Actually, this recipe is a special request from my friend who likes the mamra, that is jhalmuri and murmura and different terminology in the different Indian languages. Is mamra, which we eat in bhel, in sukha bhel and gila bhel. So we will make a fried mamra today. I will be showing you the recipe of the same. So basic ingredient, hero will be mamra. Raw peanuts I have taken. There is no measurement. The more you want, the more you like, you can take as per your liking. It goes very good, believe me. Haldi, mirchi, that is red chili powder, salt. Salt we need to be very careful because the puffed rice is also salty, that is mamra is salty, so careful for salt. This is hing and oil for frying. So let's make it the quickest recipe of mamra. Okay friends, so I have put my pan on, gas is on, pan is hot, so I'll be taking oil. As a puffed rice, that is mamra, is dry in nature, so the oil will be definitely absorbed. So don't do a mistake of adding less oil, otherwise it will not be good in taste and even in a texture. So while oil will get hot, we'll be adding our peanuts. At this point of time, if you want to add, you can add curry leaves also. If you want to add green chili, you can add, but make sure if you are adding green chili, then you should be very careful while adding red chili, because then it will be very spicy. But for me, I eat spicy, so I am adding it gives very nice flavor. And you can omit this, and even you can omit red chili. It goes good only with the salt and basic vaghar. Adding hing, haldi. Time to add our peppers. Be very careful while adding salt. Just mix it well, and never add our red chili powder while our gas is on, otherwise it will be burnt. Allow it to get hot. And especially in monsoon, these puffed rice are little moist, so you need to cook it well, but you need to stir it constantly, otherwise it will be burnt from the bottom. So I think it's done. Let me check. It's done. Now I'm going to add little chili powder. So mamra is ready. Quickly transfer it to the bowl, otherwise the chili will be burnt and the whole flavor will be hampered. I think it will be spoiled. Very good. So guys, this is our mamra. It's ready. So guys, our mamra is ready. You can have it any time of the day with tea, or you can take it in your traveling time. It can be good for I think 15 days. Nothing to worry about it. So take it with you while traveling and enjoy healthy lightweight breakfast. Snacking recipe, you can add tomatoes and salads and add some chutney and make a bhel sort of thing. Your choice, your innovation, your food. Enjoy. Till the time, see ya, take care, bye.